10 mind-blowing facts about the deepest parts of the ocean. The ocean is deep. Like, really deep. So deep that if you dropped Mount Everest into the Mariana Trench, it would still be completely underwater. And somewhere down there, creatures that look like they were designed by an overcaffeinated sci-fi writer. But what's really lurking in the abyss? Today we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about the deepest parts of the ocean, some of which might make you question ever stepping foot in the water again. Fact 1. The deepest point on Earth is insanely deep. Let's start with a big one. The Challenger Deep, the deepest known point in the ocean, is nearly 36,000 feet down. That's almost 7 miles. At that depth, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. It's like stacking 100 elephants on top of you. Comfortable, right? Fact 2. There's an entire ocean. Under the ocean? Scientists have discovered that under the seafloor there's a massive reserve of water trapped in rock. In fact, it might contain more water than all the world's oceans combined. So, basically, we live on a water planet with an ocean under the ocean? How deep does this rabbit hole go? Fact 3. Deep sea fish are basically aliens. If you ever wanted proof that aliens exist, you don't need to look to space, just the ocean. Take the anglerfish, for example. It has a glowing lure hanging from its forehead, razor-sharp teeth, and a dating life that's more terrifying than a horror movie. Males literally fuse to females and become nothing but a sperm factory. Romance isn't dead, but it sure is weird down there. Now, before we dive deeper, literally, if you're loving these weird, deep-sea facts, you're gonna lose your mind over what's coming up next. So do yourself a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join our underwater expedition. Because trust me, if you thought an anglerfish's love life was weird, wait till you see what's coming. Fact 4. There's a lake at the bottom of the ocean. This one messes with my brain. In some places, deep-sea divers have found literal lakes underwater. These are pools of super salty brine, and if you try to swim in them, you'll just float like an ice cube in a margarita. Even deep-sea creatures can't handle it. Anything that falls in gets pickled. Nature's own death trap, ladies and gentlemen. Fact 5. The ocean is loud like jet engine. Loud. Most people think of the deep ocean as silent, but it's actually loud. In fact, sperm whales, the loudest animals on Earth, can make sounds that reach 230 decibels. That's louder than a jet engine and could literally vibrate your bones if you were too close. Imagine getting smacked in the face with a sound wave. No thanks. Fact 6. We've explored more of Mars than the ocean. We've mapped 100% of Mars, but less than 25% of our own ocean floor. NASA has sent robots to another planet, but we still don't know what's lurking in our own backyard. Priorities, people. Fact 7. The deepest creatures live in total darkness. At the ocean's greatest depths, there's no sunlight. Creatures here survive on marine snow, which is basically dead stuff falling from above. It's like living in a constant snowstorm of death. Cozy, huh? Fact 8. The pressure would crush you instantly. If you tried to dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench without a submersible, your lungs would collapse and you'd be crushed instantly. But hey, at least you wouldn't have to worry about paying rent anymore. Fact 9. There might be giant creatures we haven't yet discovered. We've only explored a fraction of the deep ocean, and new species are constantly being discovered. Could there be giant, undiscovered monsters down there? We don't know. But if there's one place a real-life sea monster could be hiding, it's definitely in the abyss. Fact 10. The deep ocean is the last true mystery on Earth. The deep sea remains one of the last unexplored frontiers on Earth. It's filled with bizarre life, lost cities, and probably a few things we'd rather not know about. But one thing's for sure. Every time we go down there, we find something new. And that means the mysteries are far from over. All right, deep-sea adventurers, what do you think? Do you believe there are still massive, undiscovered creatures lurking in the deep? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time for another mind-blowing mystery.